Hello and welcome to City Trekker. My name's Adam and I will be your guide as we aim to find the right gear for the right task for you. Today we're going to unbox the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's check it out. So we're going to start with the unboxing of the iPhone 12. We've got a smaller box this year, a thinner profile, smaller everything in the name of saving the earth. Wow. This is the blue iPhone 12 and you've got this tab here at the bottom and we'll do our plastic peel. Oh, so nice. And this is just a gorgeous phone. We've got our papers. This gives you access to the SIM card. Got our Apple sticker. Only one Apple sticker this year. The charging cable is a USB-C to Lightning. And there is no charging brick. So they're saying, hey, just use your old charging bricks from your previous iPhones. But this is USB-C, and many of the old bricks are not USB-C, they're USB-A. So a little annoying. So we don't have the charging brick, we don't have earbuds, and this is basically $100 more than it was last year. The iPhone mini, the iPhone 12 mini is the same price as last year, but to get the same size of phone as last year, it's a little bit more money. All right, we're gonna check out the iPhone 12 Pro. We've got the same pull tab here. Open that sucker up. I do like this black box better than the white box for the iPhone 12. And again, this is a smaller box, thinner profile, and fewer things inside. Let's open this up. Wow. Yeah, that looks good. This is the graphite color. They're not doing the space gray for the iPhone 12 Pro. So instead you have this graphite, which is, I think, a little bit lighter. We'll do our plastic peel off the front. Man, I really like the stainless steel around the edges here, but that's going to show fingerprints pretty easily. We have the same paperwork and charging cable inside of this one. I'm bummed that there's no brick in here, but fortunately I got the iPad Air 4 and that did come with a brick, so I'll be using that for my iPhone. I got the iPhone when it first came out in 2006, and I've had many iterations of the iPhone, and I gotta say, I think my favorite design ever was the iPhone 5S. I really liked that smaller size and the way that phone felt in your hand. And so I'm pleased that they've gone back to this more boxier design. I just like the way this feels in my hand. So you've got the power button here on the side and then a little cutout for the antenna, spot for your SIM card, your volume buttons, and the toggle for silent mode. And I'm really excited about the cameras that they've got on the iPhone 12 Pro. It's a 12 megapixel camera system. You've got the ultra wide, the wide, the telephoto, and the ultra wide has 2.4 aperture, but the wide has a 1.6 aperture. And that's the one I'm most excited about because it's a larger sensor, it's gonna let more light in. And I even got a moment lens so that I can use it specifically with that 1.6 aperture. The Pro cameras will do night mode and night mode portraits. They've got deep fusion and Apple Pro RAW is coming. We're not sure a date on that yet, but it is coming. So that's our unboxing of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the like button below and subscribe to the channel to check out all of our future reviews. Thanks so much and take care. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away this modern Dayfarer backpack in X50 multicam black, as well as this D-Made Bags DOP kit in the same material, and the Alpha 19er Recon 3. I've done reviews of both of these backpacks and links to those are below. Thanks to all of you that support this channel. We couldn't do it without you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click below to do so you can be a part of this giveaway. Thanks so much.